Hello, how's everyone doing? So, I've been working on some changes to this weird game. Is the music very loud? It sounds very loud. Let's have a look. Me, game, music. Possibly. Let's turn it down a scooch. Scooch, scooch, scooch. How's that? Oh, I could just turn my speakers down, that would help. So, I've been working on making a slight revision to this game. This game is the one where you flip the tiles to try and score the most points. Make turtle! I mean, we definitely could. It's not beyond the realm of possibility. Make flip turtle tile? What? Export in. One sec. Give me a second. We'll get this sorted, don't you worry. Wait. My schedule list. Oh, that's why I'm having trouble, because I mean my face is like right near the bottom. Like even apparently it's even below streamer logo graphics, so I guess I could move it down a bit. How's that? Oh god, no. Not in there. Nope. There. And then we just, I guess that'll do. Okay. And then let's go with, whoop. There we go. There we go. And then all I need to do is begin. Make dirt. Oh wait, no. Begin doesn't work there. Begin has to be here. There we go. There we go. It's rotate, not turn. Wait. There's no rotate, it's just right. There we go. Ooh. I just heard a weird noise outside. Anyway, so this is the game as it was originally. Are you aiming for me? I might have to turn collisions on. There you go. Oh. Collision! I refuse to take that. Whee! What's gone? I'm coming back. Broke the game. Stop. Reset. Repeat 8,000. Move 200. What if I do? Move minus 800. What, are you stuck? Repeat 8,000. Move 800. Right 180. Pen down. Move 800, right 180, pen up. Boop. Oh. Oh, I see what the problem is. Don't worry, I can fix that. Streamer logo graphics. Just needs scaling to fit. Transform. Fit to screen. There we go. There we go. Wait, is it still not fitting? What's going on? What is going on? Oh, excuse me. Logo graphics. Oh, I know why. There we go. There we go. Okay. That was not at all annoying. what? Anyway, so we are looking at this game. This game is a bit weird. You have to place the tiles manually, or press auto place in dev mode. And then the idea is you have to flip and rotate the tiles in such a way that you score the most points. But people find it a bit awkward the way they had to place the tiles originally. It was 18 tiles per person. It's still 18 tiles per person, but what I'm doing is instead of just giving everyone the 18 tiles to begin with, thus resulting in overwhelm, you get 3 randomly drawn tiles. So the way that works is 2-player, single phase. I've called it single phase. It's probably not really single phase, but... And then you see they've now got 3 tiles. You can see the other tiles that are coming up, and you can make a choice. Now, there's a few variations I want to experiment with, and that is forcing a checkerboard. And there's 2 ways I'm thinking of doing the checkerboard. I'm going to do... it always starts in the top left corner, or you can place it anywhere, but you just have to remember the checkerboard pattern based on it. And I think forcing corner will be easier, but I want to try both. So I got it sort of set up for that yesterday, and then I just want to very quickly sort of try and implement that. And then after I've done that, we're going to have a look at TryJam. So TryJam 189 is, the theme is push-pull, and my idea is oops, no, ooh. So this is my idea, some sort of magnetic robot that can only move around the outside of the level, and you've got to try and like line up your boxes that you're trying to deliver around the warehouse or something. So yeah, I think that could be an interesting, fairly simple idea. I'll be right back. 2 seconds. Thank you. Yeah, that had doors that were banging in the wind, and it was annoying me. And yeah, I think it could work quite nicely. You do like warehouse shelves and stuff. What the hell? Weird. Warehouse shelves and stuff, and then yeah, you just lay out the level in various ways, and then I could maybe even do something that takes several levels. I think it should be a fairly simple thing to do. And then it's just a case of timing things. My only concern is if it's not grid-based movement, it could be quite difficult to line up the box to get it to where it needs to go, but we can work that out. Anyway, right. Hands are nice and sorted now. Okay, so first things first, let's try and work out a checkerboard thing. So I'm gonna, on the single phase, I'm gonna add a node, and we're gonna call this checkerboard checker pattern manager. And we're gonna add a thing. And we're going to say bar pattern equals I can either do it by vector whenever I say my own concern is I always feel like there are 40 asterisks backing that sentence. I mean, you're not wrong. Where am I? Where am I? No, not that far. Not that far. Not that far. Not that far. It's around here somewhere. There. There we go. Whoop. Okay, cool. Right, pattern equals. Let's go with. So we will generate a pattern. Func generate pattern. Snake bool equals true. Okay, and then we'll say var pattern array. We'll say width and height. Height int equals 6, and then we will say we also want to pass the board in. So then we say for. How do we do this? How do we do this? How do we do this? There we go. For height in range width times by height. I mean, feel free to keep drawing with the turtle. It's not gonna bother me. So, for range and width times height. Oh. For I in. Eating noodles. What noodles are you having? We'll say, wait, actually, how do we do this? Beef and tomato. Huh, okay. I'm thinking I might have some tomato soup for dinner. Because I've not had any in a long time. So, let me think, how do we do this? We want to... For row in range height, for col in range width, if snake and col mod 2 equals 0, we want to say var true col equals col. If snake and col equals 0, true col equals width minus col. And then we want to say how have I set up the board? The board is set up for y in size, for x in size, y0, x, 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 x. Yeah, so maybe I need to do it so that the board is generated as a snake, but for now we will say pattern dot append board dot get child. We want done this many times. How do you turn a 2D coordinate into a linear array? So we come here. Board.pregnant. What? Boo. So we go, okay, so we go, so, board dot baby. What are you on? Okay, there we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we've got coordinates 0, 1, 2, 3. Why did I write 6? 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we've got 0, 0. This is 0, 1. 0, 2, and then this is 1, 0, 1, oops, 1, 1. So, I think it's, was it mod width? True col mod width row plus row? No. So, we need to say 0 on the Y. So, we say that address back 20,000. Oh. Address equals col mod width true col plus row. Is that right? That doesn't sound right, but it feels right-ish. So then we say print pattern. Looks right to you. Thanks. Now, can you imagine if I was actually reading out all of your turtle commands? Oh. Because that needs to be in there. Okay. So then I need to generate the pattern from the single phase. So we'll say... We'll say... checker pattern manager dot... Oh, wait, no, we don't want that from the game. We want that from the single phase. Excuse me. We want to say checker pattern manager dot generate pattern. Generate the pattern. Generate the pattern. We want to give it the board. We want to give it X size, Y size. Oops. What was the other thing I needed? Snake. We'll call snake false for now, just to test it. So then we press play. Only dedicated streamers would do that. Well, I'm definitely not a dedicated streamer. Not poggies. So, what? Generate pattern in null instance on null instance. Oh. I am struggling with... Stop it! Struggling with my fingers today. Okay. Game single phase. Active phase. Wait. What? Where's the single phase handler? That's where I wanted it. Oh my... Checker pattern manager dot generate pattern. Give it the board. So the connect board. Area in game dot board. So we'll give it this. Generate board. Game dot x size dot y size. What's that stinky glitch one? Where did you get that? Dot where size? And then we'll say false. Okay. We play. Hug the angry kitty. Body area 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 6. No! It's not right. So we go 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So it needs to be 6 after that. So is it row mod width? That's what it. I'm pretty sure that's how to fix it. We want to go mod width, row plus. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Nope. Okay, so row times width. Row. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14. Okay, cool. And then we come into here and we want to say true on this. So, two-player, single phase. Six, 1, what? Oh, it needs to be mod. Does not equal 0. Single player, single phase. Okay. 0, 5, 2, 3. Row. Single phase. Okay. Oops. So then we go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Misses 6. 5, 12. Eight, 9, 10. So it's entirely missing. It's entirely missing. So true call equals call. So 0 to 5. And then we're saying true call equals 6 minus 0 is 6. Is it call plus 1? Yeah. maybe it's col +1. Well, technically it'd be width minus 1 minus col, but let's see. Does this work? Five, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 12, 13. 15, 16, 17. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19. So it should be, we're looking for 1, 2 to 5, 11 to 6, 12 to 17, 18, oops, 18 to 20, 21, 22, 23, 20, 24, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 29 to 24. I know those look the same, but that's a 9. So that's 29, that's 23. And then this is 35 and 30. And then we want to go 30 to 35. Okay. So is that what we're getting? 0 to 5, 11 to 6, 12 to 17, 23, 23 to 18, 24 to 29, and 35 to 30. Yeah, okay. So my logic on the Photoshop thing was squiffy. This got flipped, so it should have been 23 to 18, 24 to 29, and then 35 to 30. So do like so. Doop, 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 and then doop. Yeah, okay, cool. So that works. So then we want to say var used pattern. Var used pattern array equals, no, so then we say func add tile position, or no, we'll say area, and then we'll say what will we say? We will say face up or not, bool used pattern dot append area face up or not. So my thinking is, with this, we will say we have this pattern, which is this, and then we will say our current area int equals 0, and then we'll say if what we want to do is we want to say if style is strict, make sure the first tile is clicked first. If style is loose, make sure the tile is facing the correct way for the so I also for the pattern I then need to calculate calculate checker we will say first tile bool equals false if first tile calculate checker pass. Okay, so checker array. For so we'll say face up, we'll say area and face up again. And what we'll do is we will say if we'll say we want to find the area in the pattern and derive from its position in the pattern whether it's odd or even. Enforce the checker based on this pattern. E.g. we say what do we say? We say area 3 is face up red, so 0 1 2 3, so we would go blue red blue, so first area should be blue. Okay, I think that makes sense to me. And it doesn't matter if strict, ignore check for area because it will always be top left area. If loose, check and work back to 0 before populating. So we say if strict, let's do strict true for now. Perhaps remove strict after working out. Okay, if strict, we just need var area ID equals 0. If not strict, find area ID. So we say in pattern func find area for I in range pattern dot size. If area equals pattern ID I, turn I. And just in case it's not found, return -1. Area ID equals find area. If area ID is less than 0, print debug couldn't find area. Problem. Return. Otherwise, we then say if area ID mod 2 equals 0, first area base snake pool, and then we want to say snake self dot snake snake pattern. Okay. Okay, we also need, if not snake, we need to flip the pattern, the base pattern on each alternating odd number, e.g. false, true, false, true, false, true. And then on the next, what happened there? And then it goes true, false, true, false, true, false, row. Which gets a bit complicated, so I think snake should be the default state. What's happened here? Oh. Okay, so area ID equals first area face equals face up, else first area face equals not face up. And then, yeah, I think that's correct. Evens will be the opposite face of whichever was played. I don't know that I actually need the used pattern. If areas are disabled after using, this probably isn't needed. Current area ID. So strict bool equals false, true. Okay, so we'll say if strict current area ID plus equals 1, if strict check tile can be placed return true. Okay, so if strict if can place area tile. Then we want to say tile.face tile 3D. We've got an is face up function. Face up, yes. So we want to say tile.face up. Tile.face up. So we don't want this, we want this to be tile now instead. This needs to be a spatial for now. But we'll leave it without okay. If can place tile, return true, return false. Alternatively, I could just make it so it always auto flips, but I feel like that would annoy people. So can place tile, func can place tile, can place, and tile. Area ID equals find area. If area ID is less than 0, we want to return false. Otherwise, we want to, if we want to, if the checker dot size equals 0, return true, because that's always, it's the first tile, it can be whatever you want. And then we say if otherwise, if ID, no, if checker area ID equals tile.face up, turn true, otherwise return false. You could simplify that and just say return the value of this, but I'll leave it like this for now. So area ID equals find area. If strict we'll comment that out for now. Okay. So, if can place. Actually, what if we just do if this, and then if strict, we'll say if strict current area ID plus equals 1. If area ID does not equal current area ID, turn false. Oh, dang it. I put that in the wrong place. So that needs to be so we say if strict and that. Okay, so okay, so generate pattern, add tile. And then if it's not strict, we just want to check. Okay, so then we come into single phase, and when we try to place a tile, we say if checker pattern manager dot add tile, and then we go selected, you go area, selected tile, placement style is greater than 2. What else did we have in the add tile? How do I check if it's the first tile? First tile, what if we just say, so instead of making first tile here, we say first tile bool equals true, add tile if first tile equals false. Simple. Okay, what if we say if not, print can't place tile, return. Okay, so oh, but this needs to be if placement style is greater than 0. Okay, so we need to say this check needs to be if the placement style is greater than place style 3. There. Two-player, single phase. Okay. So the placement style is currently 0. Okay, so we'll say place style checker. Left 40. Forward 200. What are you trying? Okay, so this should now have... Okay, we will say... For iron range, pattern dot size, if I mod 2 does not equal 0, face equals first area face equals not first area face checker dot append face. Okay, I think that was a thing I forgot, and then we'll say print checker pattern generated. Are you trying to make a cube? Looks like you're trying to make a cube. Draw a tile that placed if placed. Okay. Let's have a look. What's causing this? So we go to remote, we say 2-player single phase. We then look at the single phase and we say placement style is 1. Placement style is 1, which is greater than 0. So why is that not triggering? Ah, if can place. Okay. So we say add tile. It's over 9,000 rates. Whee! I'm still pretty pleased with this turtle thingy. I know it doesn't get a lot of views, but... Whoa. I think I caught that sneeze just in time. Oh, okay, so this needs to be adjusted for if snake versus not snake. Current works only for snake. Okay, so can place, so what if we, okay, so we place the tile, place the tile, place the tile, place the tile, where's the place the tile? Tile placed. Okay, here we go. Actually, I'm going to leave this in here, but I'm going to comment it. Oops. Okay. Can place equals true. We want to... So... if checker pattern so we'll just say false. Can place equals true. And then we'll say rigid, and we'll say true. Okay, so placement style equals place 3. Print. Hey, place that tile anywhere. Print. Please. That tile can go there. I'm not strict. Print. Well done. That tile can go there. For now. Okay. So we 2-player single phase. That tile can go there, I'm not strict. So, something's if can place. Oh. This needs to go. This needs to go here. Two-player, single phase. That tile can go there, I'm not strict. Checker pattern generated. Huzzah! Okay. So, we come here. Single phase. Checker pattern manager. Pattern. Checker. On, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Yes, okay. So then we try to place another red right next to it, and that should fail. Bunk is face up. Return. Return face up equals top face. So then I just need to come into here. And instead of tile.face up, we want to say is face up. Make it the function call. I could make it reference the int, but okay. So I'll put a red right in the middle here, and then we'll try and put another red. Well, that didn't work. So we'll put a red here. Try and put another red next to it. Okay. We'll try and put another blue next to that. Okay, so it's working. Apart from that weird little glitch. Okay, so then let's try and put a blue up here. It doesn't work. Try and put a red up there. Yeah, okay. Cool. Cool. So then let's select a red and put it there. And then we try to put a red there and it doesn't work. Try and put a red there, a blue there, and it does work. Okay, cool. So it's working. At least in snake form. Okay, so let's just commit this because I'm quite pleased with this. And then maybe we can switch to try-jam. Commit single phase branch. Got checker partially working. Checker placement partially working. Free placement can be done with snaking checker pattern. Left to right, right to left, etc. Probably doesn't work at the moment with non-snake, as I need to tweak the algo. Okay, so what else works? Strict, rigid, should work, but untested. Let's test it. So we'll set this to okay, so let's give this a quick test. Single phase. So if we try to place a tile anywhere but this top left corner. Oh no, it doesn't work at all. Okay. Why does that not work? else print incorrect placement of tile. Oh. 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 Interesting. Okay. So yeah, that shouldn't be too hard to fix, right? Try to rearrange generation so first tile is top left, not bottom right. But it works. It does technically work. Okay. So then if I try to place a red next to it... Oh, that should work. Oh no. Because it's strict mode, so the only thing I should be able to put there is a blue. Yeah, okay. Okay. So then flip that and put that there. And then we'll flip that one. Place that one there. So I don't like the strict. The strict I feel is, well, it's partly to do with the fact that the tiles aren't flipping to the correct face. Okay. So, we need to do two things. So we'll go boom, boom, boom. 221007 got checker style placement working. Got checker style placement working, but board is currently generated bottom left instead of top left. Need to either change generation or change how the checker patterns are generated. One issue is that any player can place any tile. One potential issue is that any player can place any tile in rigid strict mode, but this basically requires flipping tiles to the correct side for the next position in the grid array. If red places a blue first, then they will need to place blues rest of the game. Options to fix: force players to only place their own color tile. So player 2 will always be red, or assign color to the player based on the first tile they put on the board. Both of these feel like they may reduce some level of strategy. No, that doesn't need to be said, because the whole point of this is to try and reduce some of the strategy, still make it a fairly strategy game, but or strategic game, but it basically limits your choice to so I think probably forcing the tile color to the player hand. I suspect easiest will be to force tiles to the right face when entering the hand. Okay, let's just do that quickly. Let's just commit what I've done. So we'll commit it, and we will be saying, oops, added comments for board generation change to top left, dead of bottom left, added comments for today's done to do, and possible solutions for future me. Okay. Check star placement working. So what was I going to do? I was going to, when we create hands, when we add a tile, draw tile to hand, get hand. If tile dot is face up does not equal player ID, so if top face for player 1 and bottom face player 2 do a if not top face for player 1. We want to say tile dot flip. This is if placement style is greater than place style 3, so let's check this now. So yeah, okay. Only problem is now you can still flip the tiles. Do I need to... okay. 221007-.2 added second a correct face forcing on hand draw, but players can still flip the tile. Either need to allow placement and auto flip to the correct side. Or flip to the correct side, prevent flipping, or add warning pop-up if trying place tile in incorrect orientation. Okay, I think that's whack. Chair just rolled away. Yeah, I think that will do for today for this project. Been just under 2 hours. I only intended to do it for an hour and a half, so that's about right. So, we're going to move on to some TriJam development, and then or design, and then possibly start on the actual TriJam entry, but we'll see. So, single phase. Thank you. Turtle spin, turtle spin. Single phase. So forced tiles to flip to player color when using checker style placement. Added extra comment for how to deal with errant player flips. So realize perhaps this is only an issue with rigid strict mode. Yeah. Is there a way to see what rotation number the turtle is on? You think it has a long way to go? I mean, you have asked it to do $3 million spins, and it's about 1 spin a second. Divide that by it's going to take 843 hours to spin. 842 hours to spin, and you started that you set that going about 25 minutes ago, so you know. Oops. You're about 3% of the way through your rotations. Well done. Okay, so we can close this now. Let's push the changes, just so that my pie backs up the oop. There we go. Okay, so we're going to close this. We're going to make a new folder in jams, try jam. I'm going to create 187. I thought oh no, I didn't do anything for one. Try jam 189. Select current folder. I'm going to say that creating the actual basic project doesn't count towards the time, because I need to do that to set up some of the dev stuff that doesn't count towards the project. And like it's a build function technically, because you saw how long that took. So I feel like that's a fine thing to do. So now we come here, we go 189, we go create repository here, we go OK, we go into my Raspberry Pi. cd git games auto jams try jam plus mcdir try jam 189.git and cd into it, and we want to git init there. Boom. Okay, so then we come here, we go settings, and we want to put the settings, we want an origin, we want this, oops. Okay, so then we go, come into TryJam 187, grab the git ignore, the butler upload latest, and the new build. We come here and we go boom. We then go new folder. Dev, and now I can save this thing into the folder. Dev, and we call this ideas, and we'll say this is a flat document because then it can be gitted. Okay, so questions. Should the bot boxes be grid-based or physics-based? Physics/real-time. What do we want? We want objects. We want a robot with blue, red magnet hand. We want a tile map that makes up. I could do with some voice acting, maybe some beep bop, beep bop, 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 sort of, robot noises. maybe some generic what else? Some generic sort of factory announcement sort of things, like I don't know. Yeah. Tile map for the level. Mind the gap. Exactly. We need like obstacles. So we would need things like wow. What else? We need shelves, non-magnetic boxes, wood. We need box, magnetic, red or blue. What else? What else? What else? What else? We need I kind of want to do a conveyor belt, but I think that might be too hard to implement. I'll put it in conveyor belt. Oh. Ow. What else? What else? What else? Is that not how you spell soccer bun? Soccer bun. It is how you spell soccer bun. We need target for box. Color match. Yes, I think so. Humans? Get in the way of box. Lose level if hit by box. So let's go with robot. Trapped in the rails around the factory. Lose level if hit by box. Movement, west, or just left, right. Rotating around world origin when getting to boundary corners. Left click red magnet, right click blue magnet, space magnet toggle. So we'd have AD west, space, left and right click, how are there already 3 entries? How do people just... I know it's only 3 hours, but just... like, how? So we're going to call this magnetic robot warehouse. Robotnetic warehouse? Titles. Magnetic robot warehouse. Magnetic robot warehouse. Magnebot warehouse. Robotnetic warehouse. There we go. That's better. Okay, so we set that to try jam. I think we'll go with alarm. Oh my, why? There we go. Okay. Okay. Robotnetic warehouse. Oh, I can also save this while I'm at it. Workings out. Cool. Okay. So we need walls, floor. I'm gonna have me a Ritz cracker while I mull over some things. Come here. Move your belly. There we go. Do I have multiple robots around the level? So What I'm thinking is sort of like this. So we would have something like, it's going to be the black one, isn't it? Okay. Nope. Where's the good start? That's a good start. There we go. So we'll have something like this, and then the level itself will be let's say so we've got the floor, and then we've got like brick red walls. Something like whoop, whoop, whoop. Oops, too much. So then we would have a target, let's say, oops, here. Okay, so this is the target, and it would have like a blue or red tinged. Like that. Okay, and then we have the box itself. And then we have the little robot. Let's... Okay. Something like this. And then the robot will be here. And the robot can just be a green colour. Okay. So, option 1, we have one robot. And the robot will go get to here, and then it will go like this and say same this way. Or what I could do, no, I drew that on the wrong leg, god dang it. Okay, so we've got option 1 is this is the robot, and the robot goes like this. But what I'm thinking is it may work better. There's a robot here, and that robot can only go from here to here, and here to here. And maybe there's like a brick wall here and a brick wall there, brick wall there and a brick wall there. And then there's another robot here, and that can only go that way and that way. And then another robot here can only go that way and that way. And another one that can go that way. Oops. And that way. Or option 3, we just have a robot here that goes like this, and another robot that goes like this. and that makes it a lot simpler to decide, but it also makes it a little bit more complicated to work out. So options, how many robots? 1. Full motion would have to be very zippy. 2. 4. 1 on each edge of the level. How to select QE. Indicate which is selected. Two. 1 bottom, 1 right. Move up, down, left, right, depending on the orientation. Choose using up, down, or choosing up or down or QE. Oh, uh-oh. Can you hear me?